I think tomorrow is going to be a tough game because the team have a good players and on the league stay in a good position. So we wait for the tough game tomorrow.
Persiapan untuk besok.
How's the preparation for tomorrow?
We don't have too much days preparation compared with our next opponent, but we are already used with this on Liga Sato. This is a different match. We're gonna play against one of the best teams of Myanmar with many experienced players from national team Myanmar, also good foreign players, a coach with many experience, Germany coach. So gonna be very tough match. They come to here to play for sure. They want to win, so we need to make a good game if we want to have chances to make a good result tomorrow.
Salamat sore. The game tomorrow, we know the game very hard. It's only just one game. We hope to win. We prepared this game like we prepared another game for the Liga Sato, and so I think tomorrow is going to be a tough game because the team have a good players and on the league stay in a good position. So we wait for the tough game tomorrow.
Yes, opponent team have the best defense and the best attack on the Liga, and last season was on the second position, is true. Our season also last season was very good, but this is the past. Now it's a different present. In this moment, unfortunately we have some problems with the club. We hope that we can develop these problems. Also, last matches at home on Pare, not too much supporters. We hope that on the future the supporters come back, because not make any sense a club without supporters. They are the blood of the life of a club. So tomorrow it's a game that we play at home, but it's not home because our home it's on Sulawesi. It's going to be very difficult because opponent team are strong. So tomorrow we must show that we want more than opponent team. Let's see if we want or not. I don't know what you means with your question, but we're not training and we not go to the games to draw or to lose. So we prepare the games to try to win. So we're gonna try to win. Can be with the full squad or not, but we're gonna try because we're gonna play since the beginning with 11, and I think opponent also. So the 11 that go inside gonna give everything, and after who's on the bench and can come in from the bench to help the teammates, I think go to try to give everything also. I see the goalkeeper as the first striker and the strikers are the first defenders. So in our team, everybody attack, everybody defend. So I think we need to improve everything because the football for me, it's not one or two attacking and one or two defending. No, we attacking everybody and we defending with everybody. This is our point of view of the football. Yeah, it's true. They are strong. This team are strong. Have players with experience. Have good foreigners, good local players with speed, good finishing. And what you say is true. If they won last season, Bali and other important teams, this season they want to win also. So if we want to make a good performance tomorrow, we must show on the field that we want more than them. It's going to be a very difficult match. What we do last season, it's the past. Now we need to work on the present to have a future.